Canva AI powerful new feature is a game changer. Have you ever stared at a blank page for hours, wondering how to come up with the perfect words? Or maybe you've written something, only to realize it sounds like a 5-year-old wrote it. Fear not, because Canva's Magic Write is here to save the day. This AI text generator and AI writer is the solution to all your content creation woes. Here are 5 reasons why you need to try it out. 1. Say goodbye to writer's block. Research shows that writer's block affects 60 to 70% of writers at some point in their careers. With Magic Write, you never have to worry about staring at a blank page again. This AI text generator suggests words and phrases that fit your tone and style. It's like having a writing partner who always has your back. 2. Impress your readers with smarter content. According to a study by IBM, 90% of the world's data has been created in the last 2 years alone. That means your content is competing with a lot of noise. With Magic Write, you can elevate your writing with AI-generated suggestions that are smarter and more engaging. Impress your readers with content that stands out from the crowd. 3. Save time and boost productivity. Time is money, and Magic Write can save you both. With AI-generated content suggestions, you can write faster and more efficiently. You can also use Magic Write to create social media posts, blog articles, and other content in a fraction of the time it would take to write everything from scratch. 4. Write like a pro, even if you're not one. Not everyone is a great writer, but with Magic Write, you don't need to be. The AI text generator suggests words and phrases that sound natural and professional, even if you're not a seasoned writer. It's like having a writing coach who helps you sound your best. 5. Stay on brand with ease. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. With Magic Write, you can easily stay on brand with suggestions that fit your tone and style. You can also use the AI writer to generate content for different platforms, ensuring your brand message is always consistent. In conclusion, Canva's Magic Write is a game changer when it comes to content creation. With AI-generated content suggestions, you can say goodbye to writer's block, save time, and impress your readers with engaging, professional content. So, what are you waiting for? Give Magic Write a try and watch your content soar. Are you interested in learning about artificial intelligence from scratch? Look no further than my powerful AI app. With easy-to-understand explanations and a range of helpful prompts and tools, you'll have everything you need to get started with AI. Plus, with frequent updates and new features added all the time, you'll always have access to the latest and greatest in AI technology. So why wait? Download my AI app today, and start learning about AI from scratch. Click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, interesting or entertaining, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you liked about it. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on artificial intelligence, hit the subscribe button and never miss a beat.